Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English XPR. In today's video, we'll learn simple and useful English phrases used in a restaurant through a short story called Sam at the Restaurant. Let's start. Sam walked into the restaurant feeling hungry after a long day. The place was calm, the lighting was comfortable, and the smell of food made him feel even hungrier. He sat at a table near the window, and before he took off his jacket, the waiter approached him with a smile and said, "Good evening, sir." "Table for one." Sam nodded and replied calmly, "Yes, just for one, please." He sat down, feeling that the day was finally slowing down. A few moments later, the waiter returned with the menu and said, "Here is the menu." Sam took the menu and started reading, but inside his mind he began thinking, "Should I order fish or meat? Fish is lighter, but I'm tired and I feel like I deserve a hearty meal." He turned the page carefully, then looked up and said, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?" The waiter smiled and said, "Of course." Then he walked away. Sam looked at the menu again. "This dish looks good, but is it grilled or fried? I don't want something too heavy." Then he thought, maybe I should ask. When the waiter came back, Sam said, "Excuse me, what do you recommend?" The waiter replied while pointing at the menu, "The grilled fish is very popular, and the steak is also a good choice." Sam smiled and said, "Thank you." He thought again, fish is healthy and the steak is tempting. He looked out the window and said to himself, "Today is about balance." He gently raised his hand and said, "I think I'll go with the steak." Then he added, "Medium, please." The waiter nodded and asked, "Would you like any side dishes?" Sam thought for a moment and said, "Yes, mashed potatoes and a salad, please." And before the waiter left, Sam remembered something and said, "And can I have water, please?" The waiter asked, "Still or sparkling?" Sam smiled and replied, "Still water, please." While waiting for his order, Sam sat quietly. No phone, no messages, just him and the place. He thought about how simple phrases like these are used every day in restaurants, yet they are very important. He told himself, if you learn them well, you feel more confident. The food finally arrived. The waiter placed the plate in front of him and said, "Enjoy your meal." Sam looked at the dish and replied with a smile, "Thank you." He took the first bite and felt relaxed. Good choice, he thought. Sometimes the right sentence at the right time makes the whole experience better. Sam ate slowly and enjoyed every bite. When he finished, the waiter came back and asked, "Would you like anything else? Dessert or coffee?" Sam thought for a moment and said, "I'll have a coffee, please." After the coffee, Sam felt his time at the restaurant was perfect. When the waiter brought the bill, Sam said, "Can I get the bill, please?" He looked at the amount, took out his wallet and asked, "Do you accept card?" The waiter replied, "Yes." Sam stood up feeling satisfied and said, "Thank you, everything was great." He left the restaurant smiling and thought to himself, a simple experience, but full of important phrases, one meal, and a lot of confidence. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you learn useful restaurant English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next lesson on English XPR.